Warmed by the last of the summer rays, a very special berry grows in the shade of the Swedish forest, the one most beloved by all Swedes. The blueberry.
My name is Natasha. I'm originally from Los Angeles, but as you can see behind me, this is in Los Angeles. This is a Swedish forest, and today I wanted to show you how Swedes pick wild blueberries.
In the countryside, you'll find yellow signs that point to forest roads. So Swedes start here when looking for blueberries.
Picking blueberries is a popular hobby for many Swedes. So naturally, when the season starts, a lot of people come out to the forest. Usually the season runs between mid-July and early August. Right now, I'm in the later part of the season, but I think I'll still be able to find some blueberries. Blueberry bushes grow in abundance in Sweden. Actually, 17% of the entire country's surface area is just comprised of these blueberry bushes. That's how much they grow here.
That's a lot of blueberries.
So, what am I bringing to the forest today? I have my bucket, obviously, to put blueberries into, but I also have this berry picker. I don't know if I'll need it today, but usually these are really good if you have a lot of blueberries to pick at once. The only drawback is that sometimes it picks up leaves and branches and insects, so you gotta be pretty meticulous to clean your blueberries afterward. See how deep their color is? That's because this blueberry is not the one they usually find in the supermarket. Yes, it's wild and it's natural, but it's also a different species than the one that we get in the supermarket. So the ones that we know are American and native to North America. These are European blueberries, native to Northern Europe and Northern Asia. They're more vibrant in color, a little bit more tart, and have a stronger blueberry taste. They're high in antioxidants, and some say that it's even good for eye health, heart health, and to reduce inflammation in the body. So what I'm finding a lot of today is actually lingonberries. It's not super surprising because lingonberries grow alongside blueberries and you'll find them together in the forest. They're a bit more tart, not nice in pies or desserts. But Swedes will make sauces out of them and put it together with their Swedish meatballs.
Going to the forest and picking blueberries calms and nourishes your mind. Once you get to know the forest, its magic will captivate you, rain or shine. And you'll want to experience it again and again.